Hello and welcome back to the dreaded but oh so important organic chemistry. So last time I left you off with alkynes. This is the last of the three main brothers that we have to study. And their formula, they have triple bonds instead of double bonds like alkenes. And their formula is even two less hydrogens than alkenes, which makes sense because there's one more bond. So CnH2n-2 is their general formula. And the ending is "-ine", okay? "-ine" with a Y. And naming follows the very, very same principle that we already saw in alkanes and alkenes. But let's practice with a few. So over here, we have two carbons. So my elephant, ethyl, right? So ethyne, that is called ethyne. And it has a triple bond between the carbons. Notice that carbon can only have one more bond because it already has a triple bond here, so it only can support one more H. Then what about this guy? How many carbons? 1, 2, 3. My elephant poops. Propyne, right? And it's one propyne because we want to designate this as the first carbon where the triple bond is. And what about this guy? Here we have a substituent, Mr. Chlorine, and a triple bond. So we go ahead and we number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons, and we want to designate this as the first one since this is the one where it's closest to the triple bond. And so it's 5-chloro, 1-pentyne. Okay. All right, there we go. What would this look like? 3-ethyl, 1-pentyne. You can go ahead and draw it really quickly. Okay, hopefully you got this. Hopefully you got this. Don't be fooled, by the way. Notice that there's two carbons here, so it still extends this way and two carbons here. So we have pentyne, so we need a backbone of 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the third carbon, 3-ethyl, we need to have an ethyl group, right? So there's the ethyl group, and that's perfect. And then the 1-pentyne means that the triple bond is right after the first carbon. Perfect, perfect. Then let's go to the book on page 309. Can anyone tell me what is wrong with their picture of 2-ethyl, 1-pentyne? Why is that not a possible molecule? Did you see that? I hope you did. They actually have a mistake in both of these guys. But other than that, the book is great. But there is a mistake. What is that? It's that carbon has 5 bonds, right? And it cannot have 5 bonds. So that is why. So notice that second carbon, it's bonded once at the top to the